my channel. If you haven't watched the last video, go ahead and watch it. But today, y'all, as you can tell by the title, I am unboxing my first iPad. I never had an iPad before. This is my first one, and I'm unboxing. Let me tell y'all something. My baby been in the box for days. I've been waiting for the accessories to get here so I could do this video. It been sitting waiting on me for days, but finally I have all my accessories together, so now I'm finally coming around to this video. So here's my box, y'all. Here's my iPad, my baby. Of course, I got the pink one. I am a pink girly. And I have accessories. I bought, we'll just open it up. So I don't know which box is which. So once we open it, we will find out. Woo! What is this? My case. This is my case, y'all. Okay. This is my case, guys. I'm gonna hold it up in a minute. This is my case, y'all. I don't know if I can see, but it's like a bright pink, a light pink. I don't know what color it is. It looks like, I don't know. I see when I was watching the videos, unboxing videos on YouTube, I see a lot of people was getting the notebook kind, but now I wanted something different. I love pink, so I decided to get pink. It's cute. One down, so let's open the next package. I don't know what's in here. So we will figure out. It is my pen, my Apple pen. I'm dropping shit, y'all. I'm dropping stuff. I gotta be careful. I'm being a little too rough. I'm dropping stuff, so I gotta be careful. But okay, these are my pens, y'all. I got these two colors. I got two. It came in 2-pack, rose gold and white. Ooh, this is cute. This this the one I'm gonna be using, of course, the rose gold. So let me put this stuff down. Ooh, my hair all in my face and stuff. My chain on this thing. My stickers, y'all. I got stickers also, so I could put it on my of course, on my case. Pink stickers. Got a bunch of cute pink stickers and stuff. Bunch of dropping shit. My nose thing though. Bunch of cute pink stickers. And what's in here? What's in this baby? Oh, I dropped a sticker, y'all. Oh, this is my my screen protector. Oops. My screen protector. I think this is just regular glass screen protector. I didn't get the paper kind. And for the big finale, my baby. This is my first iPad. I am so excited, y'all. It's been sitting in this box for days, waiting on my stuff to come, waiting on my accessories to come. But it's finally here. I'm finally ready to open it. And I finally could use it. I'm so excited. So I gotta pull off these tabs. Y'all don't mind my nails, y'all. Right here. Put out this tab. And then we're gonna take it off. Oops, never mind, I gotta put it down, y'all. Ooh, so cute, so cute. My hair out in my face and stuff. Well, I gotta be careful. I don't want to drop my baby. Okay, let's see, let's see. Ooh, 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 ooh. My baby. Hold on, y'all. Of course, you guys already know it comes with a charger in the box. It comes with the charger and stuff in the box. Anyways, my baby. Look at it, y'all. Look at the color. It is so. It is like a red pink type of pinkish, but it is still so cute. Okay, y'all. Take this cover off. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, let's see. It is so cute. It is so cute. My first iPad, y'all. My first iPad. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna turn it on, y'all. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna put it in the case because I'm a little nervous or whatnot. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it in its case. We're gonna go ahead and turn on or connect the pin, my Apple Pen. Y'all, this is not the real Apple Pen. I didn't want to spend $100 and something. I was like, I'm gonna just get this. Maybe later down the line I'll get an Apple Pen, but I was like, nah, this will work just fine. And it's turning on, y'all. Of course, you guys already know I'm gonna deck out my home screen. I'm gonna I want to connect my pen, but first I guess I gotta. It's asking all these questions. If y'all could see what language, I don't even know what this means. English, United States. May take a few minutes to activate. Look my case. Look how it looks. My case. An iPad, just a regular pink, nothing too crazy, but it's okay because I have these stickers. You guys already know a bunch of stickers, so I'm gonna put it. It's loading right now, y'all. So, but look at these pins. These pins are cute. Got two. So I guess extra. I don't know if I can see. I'm scared. I don't want them to fall out, to be honest, because they small. I probably won't even be able to find them. But these are extra. I don't even know. So I have my iPad. It is cellular, so I have a phone. Okay, that's all done. Setting up passcode. Asking all that. I'm not trying to be doing all this right now, y'all. It's asking me which one I want to do, y'all. Since I want this brand new, you know, I didn't get a lot of storage on here, so I'm not trying to waste too many storage. So I'm gonna click, if y'all can see, I'm gonna click don't transfer. I don't want nothing transferred. So don't transfer anything. Setting up this Apple ID. Setting up. Come on, man. I'm trying to connect my pen. I'm still trying to. I'm ready to use this, y'all. I'm ready to look like I'm just a real content creator. They be so cute when they just be connecting. What I'm gonna do on here, I'm planning a digital plan. I'm planning to edit my content. It's asking me so much. And I'm finally in, y'all. Why wants my location for Apple Wallet? Don't know. I guess. I don't know. So I'm finally in, y'all. I'm trying to see now, how do I connect my thing? connects by itself, y'all. So I guess I don't gotta connect it or anything, right? Okay. Yes, guys, I'm in my baby. I'm gonna go ahead and download some. I'm downloading my main apps. I guess you don't gotta connect this or anything. It's just it's working by itself. Do I take? No, it's this part stays. Customize my home screen. Of course, you know, make it real cute and digital plan. So let's go to Pinterest. Let's download Pinterest too. It says pink aesthetic. I'm click. Let's see. This is cute. So then now I'm gonna rearrange everything. So I'll show you guys that. But thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.